Okay, day 2 of doing my farm stand. Let me show you what I got. Okay, so we have our garden grown potatoes and zucchini. We still offering the dog treats for free. Last night I made some banana nut bread and put them in here. They have walnuts in them. Strawberry preserves. Strawberries are grown from a local farm. Sliced sandwich white bread. Farm stand chocolate cookies, which are jumbo size. Sliced pound cake. Some ducks, surprise ducks, and then eggs are in the cooler. Half dozens. I don't reuse the same baked goods the next day. I send the baked goods that didn't sell. I'm saying those with Tyler for him to take to his coworkers. So all of the pound cake, the cookies, the bread, and the banana nut loaves, those were all freshly made yesterday. So the stuff that's sitting out in the farm stand yesterday is not the same that's out here today, just so everyone knows. Here it is. I really hope we get a little bit more business today, but I'm just happy to sell one thing. So we'll see how we do.